Assalamu alaikum, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you people are doing good. Now today we are going to start the 12th lesson, that is OURREARTH, Earth. Our Earth. You people may be wondering what is Earth? Earth is nothing but it's a planet. So we'll find out more in detail about this. So let's get started. One big home. We all live in our homes, right? And animals have their homes too. We all are living in our own homes, and also animals, they are also having homes, so they are living in their own homes. We also share a big home with animals and plants. We call it the earth. So one big home everyone are sharing. What is that home called? It is called as earth. Okay, so earth is nothing but it's a big home for all the living beings, animals and plants. Look at the picture here. Imagine that this is earth. In this everyone are living together, isn't it, in one thing. What is that one thing? That is called as earth. Okay, what does the earth look like? Now the question is, how the earth look like? The earth is round like an orange. Orange means what? Santra. So it is, the shape of the earth is round. It is round like an orange. संतरे की जैसा round है. It is made up of land and water. So now the question is, what is there in the earth? In earth there is land and water. Land means what? Zameen. Water means pani. So the earth is made up of land and water. We are living in earth only. All the living beings, animals, plants, everything are living in one home, that is called as earth. Different parts of the earth have different kinds of plants, animals and people. Isn't the earth a wonderful place? Yes, it is a wonderful place. So children, everyone are living in a different part of the earth. Like your relative may be living in Saudi, some will live in Dubai, some will live in France, some will live in India. So everyone are living in the different place, and every place have different kinds of people, different kinds of plant, different kinds of animals, isn't it? So the different part of the earth have different kinds of plants, animals and people. So earth isn't it a wonderful place, children? Wonderful means what? Great. So our earth is very great place, isn't it? Now the vast blue sky. Vast means what? Very big. Very big is called as vast. So if you look up at the sky, so how the sky is it very small? No, it's very vast, it's very big. The sky, SKY, sky is the space, SPACE, space above the earth that we see when we look up. So children, when you go in the open ground and when you look up, what you can see? You can see sky, that is called as sky. Okay, and sky is the space above the earth. Where is sky? It is above us, अपने ऊपर है, right? We see different things such as the sun. We see different things such as the sun, the moon and the clouds and the stars in the sky at different times of the day and night. Yes, we see all these things in the sky at different times of the day and night. What can we see? We can see the sun, the moon, clouds and the stars in the sky, isn't it? Now, which of these can you see during the day and which can you see at the night? Write their names here. So what are the things that you can see during the day? You have to write here. And what are the things that you can see during the night in the sky? You have to write here. So sky means asman. Things we can see in the sky during the day. What you can see during the daytime? Day means दिन. दिन के टाइम में आसमान में आपको क्या दिखाई देता? What can you see? We can see the sun. And what, children? And also we can see the clouds, isn't it? The sun and clouds are visible during the daytime, right? Now, things we can see in the sky during the night. What you can see during the night, children? Night means what? रात. रात में आपको आसमान में क्या दिखाई देता? Sky means आसमान. Night means रात. So what can you see in the sky during the night? We can see the moon. चांद दिखता, right? चांद is called as moon in English. We can see the moon and the stars during the night. So all these things are where they are present, children. These things are present in the sky. Sun means suraj and moon means chand. Cloud means badal. Stars means tare. So all these things are present in the sky, and we can see this during the different times of the day, like during the different times of the day and night. Okay, next, The earth is covered by a blanket of air. We need air to breathe. So what is blanket, children? Whenever you feel cold, what you do? You will use the blankets, right? So blanket is nothing but it's a cover. So our earth is completely covered with air and we need air to breathe. And air is present everywhere, children. If there is no air, can you breathe? सांस ले सकते हम लोग अगर एयर नहीं रहा तो? एयर मीन्स हवा. No, we can't breathe and we will die. So air is very very important factor of our life. So our earth is completely covered with the blanket of air. Blanket of air in the sense air is present everywhere. Okay, so we need air to breathe. So this is the reason why air is very important for us. So in this part, in this video, we have learned about what is earth. Earth is a big home for all the living beings like human beings, animals and plants. We all are living together in one home that is called as earth. And the vast blue sky, in that you can see the sun, clouds, moon, stars during the different times of the day and night. Well, that's it, children. I would like to end up my discussion here and we'll catch up in the next video with the last part of this lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay connected, take care. Allah Hafiz.